and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna prepare something very special. Today I have prepared this mint chutney from the mint leaves that I have plucked from my own garden. So let's see how I have prepared this spicy mint chutney. So let's take a look at the ingredients we need to prepare this mint chutney. I have taken the mint that I just plucked from my garden, lemon to make it a bit sour. Then I have taken some tamarind. You can avoid it if you don't have tamarind. I also have taken some red chilies, then garlic, 2 to 3 cloves of it, and then ginger, some salt as per taste, and some water. To make mint chutney, users have to transfer all the ingredients into a mixture grinder and grind it. First, we will add the pudina leaves or the mint leaves. Then we will add the chilies, also the ginger and the garlic. Then add the tamarind. Remember, remove the seeds of the tamarind before adding it. Now squeeze some lemon juice. And finally add some water as per requirement. Now grind it into a paste. You can use a spoon to mix in between if it is sticking to the sides. Now transfer it into a bowl. And add some salt as per taste. And your spicy mint chutney is ready. You can serve it with many things like dumplings, samosa, pakoras. I hope you guys liked the recipe and the video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notification about my upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.